If you ever opened a file called Final version 2, Real Final V2, congratulations, you've experienced creative collaboration. Today, we are going to stop that madness. Let's make teamwork in Affinity Layout clean, efficient, and actually enjoyable. Let's start with the number one collaboration killer, bad file naming. Affinity doesn't have built-in versioning yet, so you need to do it yourself. So what I mean, let's go to File, Save As, let's put it here, and how to name it. Let's do project name, date, initials, and version. It tells you what it is, when it was last touched, and by whom. No confusion, no overwriting each other's work. Pro tip: create a version subfolder inside your project folder and archive old versions there. It keeps the main directory clean and your sanity intact. Now let's talk about assets. Images, logos, graphics. When you place an image in layout, it can be linked or embedded. And where to check it is click on your picture, go to Document and Resource Manager. Right now we have linked. This means the image stays separate and layout references it. But if you want to embed it, and by embedding it, the image is copied into your file, all we have to do is click on this button here, embedded. Linked keeps files smaller and it's perfect for teamwork. Everyone can access the same shared assets folder. But if someone moves or renames an image, it'll break the link. So if you are working in a team, keep all assets in a shared cloud folder and tell everyone, do not rename anything. If you need to fix missing link, open Document, Resource Manager, and here you see it's missing right now, and you see relink button. Click on it. Now search where did you put it. I know I put it under Assets. Click on the folder and select Folder. And now everything is okay. And you can close it. Here's a clean setup I recommend for any multi-person project. First, the main folder. This holds your file and subfolder. Then the assets, where all your images, logos, and linked files live. Then exports, here are ready PDFs or review copies. And versions, for old working files. Store this structure on a shared platform like Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, or a company NAS. Everyone access the same version. No endless send me the latest file email. If using a cloud service, pause autosync while editing to avoid conflict. Then save, close, and let it upload cleanly before next person opens it. Yes, it's boring, but so is file recovery. Choose your pace. Editors love making text changes and sometimes breaking layouts while they are at it. To keep control, don't give them your work file directly. Instead, export a small digital PDF. They can add notes using Acrobat or any PDF reader. Then you review the comments and update the original layout file yourself. You stay in control of design integrity and they still feel heard. Win-win. Affinity doesn't have live commenting yet, but you can use clever workarounds. Here's what I mean. Use color-coded layers for different rows. So let's take the text tool. Let's put it for designers. Where should I put it? Something like that. Then go to this layer, right click it, And under here you can see color tags, and if you click on it, you see this icon background turned blue. And depends who should look at this layer. You can color code it, like designers blue, editors green, reviewers yellow. Everybody knows which element belongs to whom. When exporting the final, just hide those layers. Feedback scan, layout pristine. A few golden rules for staying everyone's favorite teammate. Never overwrite someone else's work. Communicate file status clearly. Use tags like underscore with, what means work in progress, or underscore ready, or whatever your team agrees with. Then document changes in a shared note file, even a Google Doc work. Always back up before merging edit. And for the love of typography, don't send fonts over email. Share them via cloud or confirm everyone already has them installed. And here is a real-world demo scenario. Designer A builds the layout and saves as Brochure V1 MP. Designer B opens it, updates images, saves as Brochure V2 TK. Editor adds comments on exported PDF. Designer A applies feedback, exports Brochure Final V3. Everyone stays in sync, no chaos, no tears. It's not rocket science, it's discipline. But discipline looks very good on deadlines. Next time we'll tackle templates and automatization, how to build a reusable system that cut your design time in half. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and remember, teamwork fails not from ego, but from bad file names.